All right, this one's gonna be on tvnamer. It's a command line tool to rename your TV shows to proper, seasons, episodes with proper titles of it. So I'm giving you an example. I don't have any files right now because this is my new computer, but we'll create some fake files in here. All right, we'll do. I got an example. Xena here sequence. We're gonna do 1 to 24. And it'll print out 1 to 24 here with paddings and everything. But what we're gonna do is create see while read line do, we'll do touch. We're gonna create some fake files for Xena here. Xena episode, was that season 1 episode, and we'll put in let's put it in quotes. All right, line dot mkv, let's say, for example, our fake file, and that's it, done, right? And now when you list it out, you have a bunch of these Xena fake files. And now we can actually use tvnamer. Now there's a help page for this. They have like a normal one and they have a batch one. What we want to do is use batch. There is a dry run too, so if you want to do that, but basically these are the 3 flags you want to use on either dry run if you want to see what's going to happen without making any changes. We can always use always, and this one will allow us to it'll prompt us to select the proper TV shows. Or if you want to use batch, this will select the first one and it'll automatically rename it. All right, so how do we do this here? So we have our Xena, and you can see that these are the current file names, right? It's just season 1, episode 1, .mkv and stuff like that. But if we use tvnamer and we want to use, let's say we use dry run because we don't want to do anything yet, and we want to use always, right? And we'll use Xena here. Xena, we'll just put star for a wild card. But basically what it's gonna do is it'll prompt us, hey, which one which TV shows are you looking for? So when we say number 1, that one is for Xena Warrior Princess. We hit 1, and now you'll see that since we did a dry run, it's not going to change anything, but it'll say that the old file is this and the new file is going to be this, right? And that's it. Right now it's not doing anything because we did a dry run, but let's say we do that again without the dry run, and you can see that it'll do the same thing, but now you can actually select 1, and now everything changes. You see here, right? Now you have the proper what's the episode title of it, right? Same thing if we did which one was that? I think the Orville. Let me check how many episodes is in the Orville. Oops, that's the wrong one. Episodes, the Orville. And this one is 21. Oh, where was that one? So let's say season 1 here. There's 12 episodes. So we'll do the same thing again. We'll create some fake ones. Sequence. What was that one? Sequence 12 only. And we want to do the Orville. All right. And that's it. All right. We're gonna create some more, and now you can see that we have let me right now we have Orville, right? And you see that there's no titles and all that, none of that stuff. Now if we want to rename it using like an automatic batch, and we don't have to like do an interactive prompt or anything like that, you can do the same thing that we did before with tvnamer, but this time I'm going to use -b for a batch, and now you just do the Orville, and you see it will automatically do it. Look at that, real quick, right? And now we do that again, Orville. You can see that all our episodes has proper names that they pulled from an online database, of that TV show. And there you go. I like that. It's really simple. And what else? How you need to set this up? Well, you need to install the TV namer, and it's a Python tool. So if you're using Python, I recommend you use a pipx here. Search for, well, on Arch it's called Python -pipx here, but you need to install that, and as long as Python 2, right? And what was the other one? So you need to install Python. I believe this one, Python 3, pipx, and also you need to, if you never used pipx before, you need to run this command here. So pipx ensurepath, and also you want to install the program, which is called tvnamer. Anyways, that's the only two things you need to do to install tvnamer, and then I'll be able to use it just by calling its name, right? Anyways, that's it for the program. Really simple, just tvnamer -b, and then whatever the file is that you want. All right, then it'll rename the it to the correct episodes, whatever it is, from their database. Anyways, that's what I've been using, because some of my old TV shows, they just only had like what was that, season 1, and then what episode it is, but they don't have the title. And that's a good thing if you started watching like a new TV show. But if it's like something that you've already watched, you want to rewatch it and you don't know which the title is, so it's kind of annoying, going back to old episodes, old TV shows that you've already watched, and you just want to watch that one episode and you don't remember what number that is. Annoying, right? So this one will actually take care of that, and you have all your titles that you can remember what it was about, right? Like if I want to watch Callisto, then I'll watch episode 122 here, right? Real simple to go back in time and say, oh yeah, that's the episode, or the Black Wolf, stuff like that. I can go back and go directly to that episode without like trying to guess which one it is. Really annoying. Anyways, that's it for tvnamer. Pretty cool program. Check it out if you need to rename your TV shows. All right.